Ready. Fight.
They say she's a beauty, but today, we're seeing the beast. Welcome back to the shop. I wanted to take a classic, non-copyrighted fairy tale princess and drop her right into the world of Street Fighter. High stakes, high kicks. Look at the muscle definition in that beast mode frame. Laser engraving on wood is all about those fine lines, getting that arcade-style grit just right.
Next level.
This isn't just a coaster, it's a 90-second battle. We're moving away from tea parties and straight into a KO streak. The final result. Princess's Revenge, Beauty and the Beast mode. Who do you think wins this round? If you enjoyed this mashup, hit that sub button. Long video is live, short is coming up next.
Game over.